very excited to talk about this. I really want to talk about Pebble first, which has been developed for a couple months. So we are actually making the Pebble as a developing platform for dApps with trusted locations. With that, we are going to launch developer kits, which include the Pebble app itself, and also a Pebble web stream service, which is a hosted service. And together with that, we also provide the user permission system that the developer can register their dApp with the system, and they will ask users permission and for whatever data they are using from the user side. Yeah. So yeah, can change to the next slide. Yeah, what the developer actually need here is they need to sign up with whatever wallet they are using, and then they register the dApp with the name and logo, and after that they can have their own client secret, and with the secret they can query the user's data. Of course, they need the user permission to do that, and just consider you are kind of like querying a user device signed location, and also but after user grants the permission there. Yeah, if you are developers, yeah, please talk to us. And right now we have the developer preview version, and yeah, with limited access, I can share with you, and just feel free to talk to us.